Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of houseplants that can significantly improve your home's health. Did you know that many common houseplants act as natural air purifiers? Certain plants filter out harmful toxins and pollutants, leaving your indoor air cleaner and fresher. Stay tuned to find out which plants you shouldn't ignore. Let's get started. First on our list is the ever-popular snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. This striking plant with its upright sword-like leaves is incredibly low maintenance, tolerating a wide range of light conditions and watering schedules. What makes it truly special is its ability to filter out formaldehyde, a harmful chemical found in many household products. Having a few snake plants around your home can make a noticeable difference in improving your indoor air quality. Next we have the charming spider plant, a favorite for its resilience and air-purifying prowess. Spider plants are particularly adept at removing carbon monoxide from the air, a colorless and odorless gas that can be dangerous in enclosed spaces. If you have a fireplace, gas stove, or attached garage, having a spider plant nearby is a good idea. Place them in your living room or bedroom for a breath of fresh air, literally. Let's move on to the peace lily, a plant that not only adds a touch of elegance to your home but also works hard to keep the air clean. Beyond its beauty, the peace lily is a champion at removing mold spores from the air, making it an ideal choice for bathrooms, kitchens, or any area prone to dampness. Mold can be a common problem in these areas, and the peace lily helps combat it naturally. You'll be rewarded with cleaner air and the beauty of their elegant blooms. Chapter 4. Aloe Vera, Healer and Purifier. Aloe vera, a succulent known for its soothing gel and medicinal properties, is another powerhouse when it comes to air purification. Aloe vera is incredibly efficient at clearing the air of benzene and formaldehyde, two common volatile organic compounds. Place an aloe vera plant in your kitchen or bathroom, where cleaning products are frequently used, and let it work its magic. Just be sure to give it plenty of bright, indirect light, and let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Chapter 5. English Ivy, a breath of fresh air for pet owners. For all my fellow pet lovers out there, English Ivy is a plant you'll want to consider. This charming vine is incredibly effective at reducing airborne fecal particles. This makes it an excellent choice for homes with pets, especially in areas where they tend to spend a lot of time. With a little care, this plant will reward you with cleaner air and a touch of verdant beauty. Chapter 6. Boston Fern, your natural humidifier. Let's talk about the Boston fern, a lush and verdant plant known for its air-purifying and humidifying properties. Boston ferns are particularly beneficial during the dry winter months when indoor air tends to be drier due to heating systems. They act as natural humidifiers, releasing moisture into the air and helping to alleviate dry skin and other discomforts associated with low humidity. Place a Boston fern in your living room or bedroom to enjoy its benefits. Chapter 7. Bamboo palm, the versatile purifier. Next up is the bamboo palm, a graceful and elegant plant that's not only visually appealing but also a highly effective air purifier. This plant is a true overachiever when it comes to air purification. It's known to filter out a range of harmful VOCs, including benzene, trichloroethylene, and formaldehyde. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings, and your bamboo palm will thrive, rewarding you with cleaner, healthier air. Chapter 8. Rubber plant, toxin remover and humidity booster. Last but certainly not least, we have the rubber plant, a popular choice for its striking foliage and impressive air-purifying abilities. This hardy plant is particularly adept at removing toxins from the air, including formaldehyde. Rubber plants are also known for their ability to increase indoor humidity, making them a great choice for dry climates or during the winter months. With proper care, your rubber plant will thrive, contributing to a healthier and more comfortable home environment. So there you have it. 8 incredible houseplants that can make a real difference in the air you breathe. Incorporating these natural air purifiers into your home is a simple yet effective way to create a healthier, more inviting living space. As you care for these plants, you're also nurturing your own well-being. Embrace the beauty of nature indoors and enjoy the benefits of cleaner, fresher air. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to make your home a healthier place. See you next time.